we doing here? Looking at another track hole. See what kind of goodies. Old hammer strap. They actually bought something from them already before, so I think there's a hole. Look at all the stuff we got here. Want a seed hawk, want a Morse, want a seed hawk, seed master, and they got it. Looks like. There's one trucks too. Yes, anything. Anhydrous truck. Oh, look at that. That's what we're looking at. Now, if we park close enough, maybe we can wipe the truck out. Ooh, try drive. Kind of a one-stop shop for whatever you want here. We got rock pickers and compressors and lots of drills. Oh, another fancy cat hoe thing. Hoe processor. Straight cut header. Quad track. Oh, there's a quad track. This is the baby. What do we got in here? I don't know. Actually, we open this up. Oh, we got a bit of a, looks like that connection there got a bit of an oil leak. It is a night deer. It's got tracks on it. Let's see if this opens. Not too much for oil leaks here. A little weeping, but oh, teeth are decent. I don't know. Rails look like rails. I think it's got rock guards on this thing. Well, it runs. It's got a nice John Deere engine. Runs like a John Deere. Not so bad. Got a big bucket. Not too bad for oil leaks. A little bit on these big cylinders. And then that one big leak. But that's more of a fitting kind of thing. Into the rad, and the rad blows it all, or the fan blows it all over. Otherwise, that's the only major oil leak. Where's the play on that one? The bucket mainly? Huh. Mainly the bucket did a little bit of play. Not a lot. That other hole though. Not a lot, no grease on the bucket, but it's not actually that loose. That's actually pretty impressive. Inside the cab is much kind of nicer than that Hitachi. Oh. Got more fancy joysticks and junk. Otherwise, this is a Hitachi, John Deere Hitachi, same thing. One has a John Deere engine, one has Isuzu, and different color. There we go. We looked at it. Now we just got to figure out what kind of deals we can make on it. A nice Freightliner and Sterling, and look at all of it. Want a quad track, want a Versatile, want a Massey, Peterbilt. Fire trucks. I think I got a couple ladder trucks, some old little tractors, seed drills, headers, anything you want. And all that stuff. Oh, what is this? Oh, looks like we're back. Well, L&B. Where we're looking at. Oh, there's that hoe. It's sold way more than what we would have ever paid for it in the shape it's in. Tractors are mainly all gone. Skaters are still here. Looks like they have the combine plugged in. What do we pick up today? Auction favor stock again. And Merlot went cheap, but they're also kind of junk too. Snow pusher box blade for the skiddy bob. Never seen a Wacker Newson skid steer before. Pretty cool. Snow pushing will be a lot more fun, enjoyable, cool, interesting, whatever you call it now. I don't know what they're doing. Not good. I guess that's what they're doing. Push it over. lot of bale feeders, this one. Some nice little hay bales that went for retarded money. Now I'll get some gates. I got some gates and panels, and looks like half of the gates are all buried in snow. No one knows where they are. Oh, he's got the snow pusher on the Skitty Bob. Looks like he's having issues locking it into place. Yeah. I have heard of sometimes attachments aren't quite exactly where they should be for the Bobcat attachments. So on this one is this, the Bobcat thing sits like right here, whereas this one it's trying to sit deeper, so it'll have to come down to like right there. I've heard of sometimes them being off, so it doesn't fit all the way in here, so it only goes to there. So the pins, you need to cut it out a bit. I get the powered one. Open that. I'll close it. That might fit. Huh? That might fit. Alright, let's see if we can hook her up now. Oh, maybe. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! Oh boy, look at that. 10 feet. Look at that. Those have gone all the way to the dirt. Look at that. 10 feet at a crack. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, run out of power. Oh, look at that. That's how you clean snow. Boy, howdy. Look at that. Oh yeah, move the truck, huh? Let's watch this thing. What are we looking at here? Put it down? Oh yeah. Alrighty. Alright, we got that adjusted. There, nice and even. Look at that. Whew. 10 feet at a crack. Oh, that's how you push snow pies. Oh, look at that then. Just peeling the snow. Whew. Boy, that's a handful for that big skid steer sometimes. Wowzers.